Good morning to all. Welcome back to our maths class. In our today's class, we are going to start a new lesson. We are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson 3, multiplication. Lesson 3, multiplication. All of you look here. Lesson 3, multiplication. All of you read the spelling. M-U-L-T-I, multi, then P-L-I, multiply, then C-A-T-I-O-N, multiplication. Okay. Children, let us meet Sarah. Let us meet Sarah. Sarah has 3 baskets of apple. 3 baskets of apples. Then each basket has 2 apples. Each basket has 2 apples. So all of you say, what is the total number of apple? What is the total number of apple? So all of you look here. I will write on the border. So Sarah has how many apples? How many baskets? First you have to say how many baskets? Yes, 3 baskets. Then each basket, how many apples are there? 2 apples. So I will write that 2 here. How many baskets are there? 3 baskets are there. So 3 times I need to write 2. Then for finding the total number of apples, what we have to do? Yes, we have to add. We already studied about addition. We already studied addition. So we have to add these numbers. Okay. 2 plus 2 plus 2. So I am going to put addition sign here. Plus sign. Okay. Then all of you say the answer. We already studied 3 number addition. Isn't it? So all of you say the answer. 2 in your mind, 2 in your fingers. After 2, 3, 4. Then 4 in your mind, 2 in your fingers. After 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer? Yes, 6. Total 6 apples are there. Total 6 apples are there. So we have to write 3 groups of 2 equal 6. 3 groups of 2. That means how many 2's are there? How many 2's we added? Yes, 3 2's we added. 3 2's we added. So we have to write 3 groups of 2. How many times we added that 2, that we have to write as group. So here 3 groups of 6. 3 groups of 2 equal 6. So we have to say 2 added 3 times equal 6. 2 added 3 times. 3 times if we are adding. So 2 added 3 times equal 6. Or we have to say 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times, yes, 2 is equal to 6. We have to say in these 2 ways. Okay. Then here we are going to learn a new symbol for multiplication. We already studied in addition. Plus is the symbol of addition. Here we are going to learn a new symbol. So that is, this is the symbol used for multiplication. So you already studied this. Yes or no? Yes, it's look like X. Isn't it? So X stands for multiplication, or X into sign, cross sign is used for multiplication. So this X into is the symbol of multiplication. So we have to write these 3 groups of 2 equal 6. 6. Instead of this groups of, we have to put this into sign. We have to use this into sign and write. Okay. So I will write, all of you look here. This is the symbol of multiplication. So I am going to write from here. Okay. 3 instead of groups of, we have to put into X sign. Then we have to write the next number, that is 2. Then we have to write equal to 6. Equal to 6. Okay, so this is a multiplication factor. This is a statement. This is a multiplication factor. What is this? 3 into 2 equals 6 is a multiplication factor. Is a multiplication factor. This is a multiplication factor. Okay, so here we are adding the same number again and again. Here we are adding the same number again and again. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2. Again and again the same number is adding. That is called as repeated addition. That is called as repeated addition. So I will write here. Repeated addition. Repeated addition. Okay. Repeated addition. Repeated addition. REPEATEDADDITION. That is repeated addition. Let us do one more example. Okay, all of you listen here. Pooja has 4 flowers. Pooja has 4 flowers. Each flowers has 5 petals. Each flowers has 5 petals. Okay, so how many flowers are there with Pooja? Yes, 4 flowers, and each flowers has 5 petals. So what is the total number of petals? We have to count all these petals. That means we have to count all the petals and find out the total number. So I am going to write that in numbers. Okay, so how many flowers are there with Pooja? 4 flowers. Then each flowers has how many petals? 5 petals. So how many, which number we have to write? Which number we have to write here? All of you say. 4 flowers are there. 5 petals are there. So what we have to write? Yes, we have to write 5 4 times. So I am going to write here. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so we have to count and find out the total number of petals. So all of you start counting. 5 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Then 10 in your mind, again 5. Then 10 after, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then 15 in your mind, then again 5 in your hand. Then after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what is the answer? How many petals are there? Total how many petals are there? 20. So in the previous question, previous example also, we write the numbers in groups, isn't it? So like that we have to write this also in groups. So how we can write? Yes, we have to write 4 groups of 5. 5 how many times repeated? 4 times. So we have to write 4 groups of 5 equal 20. 4 groups of 5 equal 20. 4 groups of 5 equal 20. Then we have to say that 5 added 4 times equals 20. 5 added 4 times is equal 20. Then one more thing also we have to say. In another way we have to say 4 times 5 equal to 20. 4 times 5 equal to 20. We have to say in these 2 ways. And we have to write this 4 groups of 5 equal 20 in multiplication factor. So how we have to write? By using the multiplication symbol, we have to write. So I told you which symbol is used for multiplication. Into sign, cross sign or X. It seems like X. That is why. Okay. Into sign. So this is into. So this is the symbol of multiplication. This is the symbol of multiplication. Okay. So we are going to write this in multiplication factor. So all of you look here. 4. Then instead of group of, we have to put into. Then 5 equal to 20. Equal to 20. Okay, equal to 20. We have to write like this. So this is multiplication factor. This is a multiplication. That means 4 into 5 equal 20 is a multiplication factor. So if we are adding the same number again and again, this is repeated addition. This is called a repeated addition. We call it as multiplication. So repeated addition is also called as multiplication. So my dear students, if we are adding the numbers again and again and again, if so many numbers are there, if we have to find the total number, what we have to do? We have to add again and again and again. So it is too difficult to add these many numbers. For that, an easy way is there for calculation. Easy way is there. So we have to study the multiplication table. For making the calculation easy, we have to study the multiplication table. So in our today's class, we are going to learn multiplication table of 1 and multiplication table of 2. All of you should ensure to by heart the multiplication table of 1 and 2. So now we are going to learn multiplication table of 1 and 2. All of you listen here. Table of 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. And 1 tens are 10. Okay, all of you should ensure to by heart the tables. Okay. So next table of 2. Table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. And 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. So all of you by heart it. Okay. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. 1 tens are 10. Once again. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. And 1 tens are 10. Let's revise the table of 2. Table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. And 2 tens are 20. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. And 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. All of you by hearted. All of you, look here. So, what is this? Read all of you. Yes, 1 7s are 7. 1 7s are 7. So, we have to write this 1 7s are 7 in another way also. All of you, who can say how we can write? Yes, one more. 7 into 1 equals 7. We interchange the number. We change the number. This 7, next step it comes first. Okay. Next step, 1. Where it comes? Yes, number as second number. So, anyway, the answer is same. Isn't it? Answer is same. So, we can interchange the number and write the answer will be same. Answer is same. Okay. 1 into 7 equals 7 and 7 into 1 equals same. 7 into 1 equals 7. So, if the order is changing, there is no problem. We will get the same answer. Here also, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So, how we can write this? By changing the order, we have to interchange the numbers. Okay, so we have to write 5 2s are, then what will be the answer? 10. We interchange this number. This number comes here and this number comes here. So we interchange the number. So, same. Answer will be same. Okay. So, in our today's class, we studied about multiplication. Then we studied about repeated addition. We are adding the same number again and again is called repeated addition. Repeated addition is multiplication. Repeated addition is called as multiplication. Okay. Then we studied the tables of 1 and 2. You have to by heart it. I hope you understood the topic. We will see you in the next class. Thank you all.